In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create buy a ski, get e-product discount codes for your Shopify store. These types of discounts are a fantastic way to drive sales, clear out old inventory, or incentivize customers to purchase more. So, let's dive right in and get started on setting up these codes. First, you want to open up your Shopify admin dashboard. Once there, look over to the left-hand panel and locate the tab marked Discounts. Go ahead and click on it. This section is your go-to hub for managing all types of promotional codes and discounts your store can offer. Once you've clicked on Discounts, you'll find yourself on a page showcasing any discounts you might have already set up. But today we're going to create a brand new one, so head on over to the top right of your screen and you'll see a button labeled Create Discount. Click on that to proceed to the discount creation page. Now that you're on the discount creation page, you'll notice a variety of discount options. What you want to do here is select the Buy X Get Y discount type, which allows your customers to buy a certain number of items and get another item at a discount, or even for free. After making your selection, it's time to choose the method you wish to use. Here, select the discount code option. This method allows you to create a unique code that customers will input at checkout to receive their Buy X Get Y deal. Once chosen, enter in your desired discount code for the promotion. This code can be anything you like, but make sure it's easy for customers to remember and input. For instance, something like Buy 2 Get 1 could work quite well. Now comes the part where you'll need to enter in the details of your promotion. In this section, specify exactly what's required from your customers to participate in this deal. For example, you'll need to indicate what products or collections qualify for the discount and what the customer will receive in return. Whether they buy 2 sweatshirts and get 1 free, or purchase 3 books and get the 4th at half price, you decide. Don't forget to also set any boundaries like minimum purchase amounts, or limit the offer to specific customer groups if needed. Next, fill in the eligibility criteria. Who is this discount available to? Is it open to all customers, or perhaps just to loyal members of your mailing list? Decide on that here. Lastly, define the active dates. When should this promotion kick off, and when should it end? Setting clear start and end dates ensures customers don't miss out and keeps your promotional strategy organized. Once you've entered all this information, hit the Save to create your discount. And there you have it. You've set up a Buy X Get Y discount code on Shopify. Test it to ensure it works smoothly, and sit back as you watch the positive impact it has on your sales. Thanks for tuning in, and happy selling.